Welcome to Jules Math Tools, where math is made easy. In today's session, we will be converting a percentage into a decimal number. In this session, we're going to be converting percentages that are less than 100 into decimal numbers. And I'm going to first start by remembering to change my percentage into its fractional form, which is 84/100ths. And from this step, I can decide to do one or two things. I can either decide to divide my 100 into 84, or I can reduce my fraction and then divide afterwards when my fraction is in its simplest form. But for this step, I'm going to just divide my 100 into my 84. Remembering that our 100 is outside of the division rule and my 84 goes inside of the division rule. So 100 can't divide into 84 because 84 is less than 100. So I'm going to put in my 0. I mean that 0 times 100 will be 0. 84 subtracted from 84 subtract 0 will be 84. So now we're going to add in our decimal point. Add a 0, bring down that 0 and change my 84 into 840. 100 can go into 840 8 times. 8 times 100 will give us 800. 840 subtracts 800 gives us the difference of 40. I'm going to now add another 0, bring down that 0 and change 40 into 400. And 100 goes into 400 4 times. 4 times 100 is 400, and 400 subtract 400 gives us 0. So we found that when we convert 84 into a decimal number, it's equal to 0.84. Okay, so we're going to begin by changing our 42% into its fractional form, which is 42/100ths. And again, I'm going to begin by dividing my 100 into my number 42. And we know that 100 can't divide into 42 since it's less than 100. And 0 times 100 will give us 0. 42 subtract 0 gives us 42. We're going to add in our decimal points. Add a 0, bring down that 0, and we're now going to divide 100 into 420, which will go 4 times. 4 times 100 is equal to 400. 420 subtract 400 gives us 20. We're going to add another 0, bring down that 0, changing 20 into 200. 100 goes into 200. 2 times 100 is 200. And 200 subtract 200 gives us 0. So we see that 42% as a decimal number is 0.42. So remember that we do provide you with worksheet links in the description box below. So make sure that you check out those worksheets and practice the questions to help develop your math skills. And until next time, this is Jules Math Tools, where math is made easy.